So if I call this term number 1, there's 1 cube. Term number 2, we have that 1 cube plus 4, so that's 5. Term number 3 is going to be this, which is 5 plus another 4, so that's 9. Okay, so if I want to draw the next two figures, right, starting from 1 cube, we're adding this column of 4 cubes each time. Okay, so the next one, what it's going to be is basically, so we have this column, we're going to have 2 of these, right, but another one will follow because there's 2 here, 2 columns, so we need 3 columns here. Okay, then we're going to have that one single block here. Okay, it's a little bit tilted, but it's all right. Now the next diagram, I just have to copy this, like so. And now all I have to do is add one more column to the end. Okay, so then if I see here, this is term number 4, right? 4, this is 5. So term number 4 will have 4, 8, 12 plus 1. So that's 13. Term number 5 is going to have 4, 8, 12, 16 plus 1. So that's 17. Okay, so the pattern here is that we're starting from 1 and all we're doing is adding 4 each time.